Welcome back to my channel. Here are some of the beautiful quotes. Let's start. Save your feelings for someone who cares. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. Once you have matured, you realize silence is more important than proving a point. People will throw stones at you. Don't throw them back. Collect them all and build an empire. Respect your haters. They are the only ones who think you are best. Responsibility makes you mature, not age. I am an idiot. I get ignored for hours but still reply in seconds. Three things must keep private. First, income. Second, your love life. And third one is next move. Sometimes the advice you give to other people is the advice you need to follow. A job is a job, whether you are a doctor or a cleaner. You have no right to mock someone. It is because you are earning more money than the other person. We all are trying to put food on our table. It is very simple. Never expect to get what you give. Not everyone has a heart like you. God removes people from your life because He heard the conversations you did not hear. Love does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be true. I am not perfect, but at least I am not fake. Loyal people are some of the hardest people to find. Limit your expectations because the world is full of disappointments. I respect a person who respects me when I am not around. The less I care, the happier I am. Trust always what you feel, not what you hear. Take a chance. Maybe this time life will smile. People who have done you wrong will forever think your posts are about them. Stop explaining yourself and telling people everything. You owe no one any explanation of what you do. Your life is yours, not theirs. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you are new at my channel. Thank you so much.